Hello and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Martin. On the menu today, we have my version of coconut banana nut bread. In a medium bowl, I'm going to begin adding some oil. I'm also going to add some sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but white is fine also. Then whisk these ingredients together until well combined for about a minute or so. I'm adding 2 eggs to my batter. Then continue to whisk your ingredients together until well combined. Now I'm going to add my banana. The riper the banana, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. I went ahead and smashed my bananas and now I'm adding it to my batter. Continue to mix until your ingredients is well combined. I'm going to go ahead and use my hand mixer to make sure that is well combined. Remember, please do not over mix your batter. Mix for about a minute and a half or 2. That's going to be sufficient. Then I'm adding some milk as well as some vanilla. Mix until thoroughly incorporated. Now I'm going in with my flour. I'm adding half of it first and then mix it for a bit. And then I'm going to add the remainder of my flour. I'm using a small spatula, but you can use your whisk if you like. I'm not using my mixer because I do not want to overbeat my batter. Go ahead, mix in just until all of your ingredients is incorporated. Now I'm going in with some cocoa powder. This part is optional. You don't have to add it if you do not want to. But I'm going to go ahead and add it to my banana bread. Once thoroughly combined, the last ingredient that I'm going to add is some chopped nuts. Stir it in just until incorporated. Start pouring your batter into a prepared loaf pan. My loaf pan is already sprayed. Be sure to grease or spray your loaf pan first. and spread it evenly. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees and bake for about 45 minutes. I went ahead and removed my cocoa banana nut bread. I'm going to insert a toothpick into it and make sure it comes out clean, like you can see here. Sometimes you will see a few moist crumbs. That is okay as well. Just keep in mind you do not want the toothpick come out wet. Then let your bread cool down on a rack for about 10 to 15 minutes before cutting. The bread is very soft to the touch and moist and smells amazing. I top my cocoa banana nut bread with some of my coconut homemade whipped cream. The link to this video for this delicious homemade whipped cream will be in the description below. My cocoa banana bread turned out so flavorful. It was very moist and delicious. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Remember, a link for the full recipe will be provided in the description section below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.